Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this stylized tornado using ribbons in UE4.27 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, this is very simple effect. I think I didn't do any special thing, and material is very simple for this, but it looks cool. So I thought let's make a tutorial of this. So first of all, if you follow my tutorials on CGHOW channel on YouTube, if you have seen this tutorial 1 month ago, this is the same kind of thing I used again. Here I'm spawning ribbons from a particle source, and then it has some forces, and I use the same technique, just the vortex and the velocity on Z, and then I material. So and you can also, if I select this tornado, you can also change the color if you want. So like if I duplicate this by alt and dragging it, and I can make this one red. Okay, so I will create this again for you guys. New folder, test, and I will create a Niagara system, fountain, effects. First, this is